guys, welcome to our tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a simple notification with an image inserted inside using Android Studio. Alright, let's start. So first, let's create our new project. Here, we can name our project as notification, and then you can leave the rest of these as default. And click finish and wait for it to build and load. Let's start immediately by going to our activity main, which is already shown in the tabs, but I will show you where it's located. It can be found here on the rest folder and then the layout folder. And here is our activity main. So when you're already in the activity main, click the split or split screen to see both the design and code of your application. Here. In the XML, change the text to send notification. And then, we'll give it an ID as btn notify. And to keep things simple, we will change the text view to button, and let's go to our main activity. In here, we need to create first our IDs, which is the channel ID and the notification ID. The first one will be the private val channel underscore ID equals to channel sample 01. And after that is the private val notification ID, which is equal to 101. Now we will proceed to creating the functions. The first one will be called as private fun create notification channel. Since the version audio or API 26 was built, it is now required to create a notification channel for your notifications to show up due to security reasons. Now in this function, let's write if build.version.sdk is more or equal to build.version.codes.o, then we will create this notification channel. Right in here, val name is equals to notification title, and then write val description text equals to notification description, and then we'll do the val importance, which is gonna take a notification manager and give importance as importance default. It is default because even if you change it to high or low, the system often decides itself depends on how many notifications are there. Now we write val channel equals to notification channel, and it's gonna take our channel ID, the name, the importance as parameters. And then we apply our description, which is the description text. Now we can register the channel with the system, which is the val notification manager of type notification manager equals to get system service with the context of notification service as a notification manager. And then we can write notification manager dot create notification channel, and we'll take our channel and insert it in here. Now we're going to make another function, which will be the private fun send notification. Then we'll start with the val builder is equals to notification compact dot builder, and that's gonna take the parameters, which is the context of this, and also take the channel ID. Then we can do the dot set small icon. Then let's make it as r.drawable.ic launcher for the. But before doing this, don't forget to put two images, one for the icon and one for the bridge image view. For example, we have here our big discord.jpg for our image view and discord.png for our icon. Then drag it into our drawable folder and check if it's drawable only, not drawable v24. And now we will write .set content title, and inside is the example title, and then the set content text, which will be the example description. Now we do the set priority, and it's gonna set priority, and it's gonna take the notification compact, and we will write the priority default, and lastly you can write the notification manager compact from the text of this, and under this we will write notify, and it's gonna take the notification ID and our builder.build. And now we're done with our functions. We will include now our first method to our onCreate, which is the create notification channel. And then we will create a button that uses the notification. So let's write val notif of type button equals to find view by ID. Then it's gonna take the ID of our button, which is the r.id.ptn notify. And then we write our notif that set on click listener, and inside write the send notification. As you can see, there's an error. To fix this, let's double check the imports if we have imported the button. And there we go. And now we're finished with the basics, so let's try to run our app. And I will be using my Android phone to run the app smoothly. Since this is the first run, our app will take a while to build and install into the phone. And now it's done, so let's run the app. And here is the notification button that we created. Click it and we see the notification here, but we're not done yet. As you can see, the icon and the large image is not here, and when you click the notification, it does nothing. So let's add some code. First, here under the send notification function, we will write an intent which will be used to open the activity from the notification channel. So we write val intent is equals to intent with the context of this, and it's gonna take our main activity class Java, and we are going to apply some flags. So we'll write flags equals to intent the flag activity new task, or intent the flag activity clear task. And now we will write our pending intent, which is val pending intent of type pending intent equals to pending intent the get activity, and inside is the context of this, and our request code as 0. Next is our intent, and then we will have 0 flags. There. And now we will create our bitmap converter to take our global file and convert it to a bitmap, because we need a bitmap to put the images in the notification. So let's write val bitmap is equals to bitmap factory. It's gonna decode the resource. It's gonna take the application context dot resource, and then we'll put the global that we will convert. So let's put the R global, and we'll start with the image view, which is the big Discord. And next we will just do the same for the other icons. So let's copy and paste the code and change our value to bitmap icon and change it to big Discord. I mean Discord. We're almost done. So we just need to add a few lines into the builder. So let's start with the dot set large icon, which will take our bitmap icon and it's going to set a large icon for the message. And to put the large image to our notification, we write dot set style, and it will take the notification compact dot big picture style, that big picture, and inside here is our bitmap, which is the large image. And finally, we will add our pending intent. So when you click the notification, it will do something. Now we write the dot set content intent, and inside will be our pending intent. And now we're done. We'll compile it and run on the phone. Here you click the button and then we have our notification with our Discord icon right there. Let's see. When you slide it down, we will see our big image. So to have a proof of if the intent is working, we will close the app and then click the notification. And there we go. And now we're done. That's all you need to do to create a simple and basic notification. I hope you get all that and try to do it in your own. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.